Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix V-Rising game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, not opening, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first thing what you need to do is to restart your system. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If it doesn't resolve the problem, you should run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, just select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, and after that click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow and up through firewall. After that, go to the change settings, and here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. Here is the game listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. After that, click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, now right click on it, click on properties, and after here under general you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, remove the dx11 and type -dx12 and then check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to lower the graphics settings. You should ensure the graphics settings are properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc. And if it is not properly set up, then it can impact the game. So you are suggested to lower the graphics settings of the game, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your PC, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, because most of the time the antivirus software stops you from playing the game smoothly. So make sure to disable the antivirus software and after that launch the game and check. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update. After that, click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, add the game to the list, and after adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Under background process tab, here it will search for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, and after that right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser. Now after the website opens, just go below and here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get a repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it and then wait for some time. Once it is finished, now you have to restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, now right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall V-Rising game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix V-Rising game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video.